everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. So recently Ozzy Osborne passed away and I decided to check his songs out, and in this particular one he was singing Crazy Train. You guys, I'm excited, and without much ado, let's see what this is all about. Wow, that voice. Yeah. The guitarist is so good. Wow. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Che. Wow, you guys, that was such a beautiful one from Ozzy Osborne. It sounds weird that I'm just starting to react to his videos after he has passed. This is really saddening, and oh my goodness, I just love his voice so much. I love his energy on that stage. He has a lot of energy for his age, and wow. And I also love his long hair so much. The guitarists and the drummers, I love their energies too. They played their heart out in this song. It was just so beautiful to watch. It was energetic, it was powerful, and I don't even know what it must have felt like being in the crowd, because I haven't been to any concert in my life. Ozzy Osborne is truly a legend, and rest in peace to him. Let me know what you guys think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.